Hi friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technical Sim. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon. Today we will see how to use NSE website and save money. Okay, all the informations are in the NSE website. Okay, we need not have to pay for anything. Okay, unless until it is what you call processed information. Okay, all raw informations are available in NSE website. Top gainers, top losers, volume gainers, everything is available in NSE website. I will just teach you the basics of how to use NSE website. I know majority of the people, majority of the retail players will not know how to use the NSE website. Okay, from NSE only we are trading, so we should know how to use. That is like our house. We should know our house fully, completely, where what it is there. We should be able to access it. Okay, so please watch this video completely. In the end I will tell you how to use the OI data available in NSE and then select your strike price. Okay, please watch completely. Now we will go to the home page. Okay, this will be the home page. You just type. There is a new website also. I am showing you, this is a part 1. I am showing you the old website, how to use the old website. Later I will show you how to use in the next part I will show you how to use the new website. Okay, you type, you can see here www.1.nseindia.com. it will land up at this page. You can see this is the home. You just click here, you will get all the details. Pre-market, Nifty 50, Nifty next 50, Nifty 100, 200, 500, mid cap. In this important is this India VIX, that is volatility index, where you can see what is the changes in percentage and in numbers. Okay, here you can see advance, decline, unchanged. You can see the top gainers and losers. Here you can see the most active stocks. Okay, equities you can see here, right? Now these all are simple things which we should know how to use the NSE website. Next, sectoral index, performance of sectoral index. This is the summary. Other indices and fixed income indices. Okay, right friends. Now we will go to the other part also. Very important. Majority of the people don't know when is the holidays. You can see here there is a holiday section here. Just click that. You will get the list of holidays when NSE is working, not working, all those things. This is trading holidays, this is clearing holidays. Okay, next we'll go back to the home page. Okay, next is OI data. Where to find the OI data? Because this is a home page. Go to live market. Okay, and go to equity derivatives options. Under option chain you can see equity derivatives. If you click this, you will get the OI data sheet. Okay, the OI data sheet, you can see here the Nifty. You select Nifty, you can select the expiry dates for Nifty and then just check the OI data, right? This is the center part is the strike price. This is call side, this is put side. Yellow color marked is in the money, white color is out of the money. Okay, very briefly I am telling you. This is the OI, change in OI volume, IV, LTP, net change, bid price, ask price, same thing here also. This side, put side. Okay, you can select Bank Nifty also. Select Bank Nifty, it will change to Bank Nifty. You can select the what you call expiry date from here, right? You can see it is showing Bank Nifty. These all are the basic things. Okay, right? Next we'll go back to the, you can select even stocks OI data from here. For example, SB, you have to type the symbol, not the name. SBIN is a symbol for SBI. For example, if you type, say go, you can see it is showing SBI. Its OI data it is showing the strike prices. Okay, see in the top in the home page or all the time it will be there. You can see equities. If you want to check, for example, SB, here you can type name, no problem. Okay, state. If you want to check by State Bank of India, okay, you select, say okay. You can see it will give you the summary, like today's open, high, low, close, and which sector it is coming. This particular stock, it is coming in Bank Nifty. Okay, 52 week, it will show the 52-week high, low, traded volume, everything. If you click here the small button, you can see that quantity traded, deliverable quantity and deliverable delivery percentage it will show, right? So all the data are available in what you call in NSE website. We should know how to use it and extract the data. From here you can go to derivatives data, derivatives code, that is futures, right? You can see it will show your lot size. This is the futures data. It will show you the lot size here. Okay, open, high, low, close, the date of expiry, stock derivatives, all it will show. Okay, it will be other information. You click, it will show the daily volatility, annualized volatility of this particular stock, like settlement price. And then from here you can see option chain. You can see your option chain. You just click the option chain. You can see the option chain of that particular stock. You can go from here or you can come through this also. Different ways of coming to this options data page, OI data page. Okay, clear? Now we will go to home page again just to show you. Okay, go to live market, click on equity stocks. Then you will get the Nifty 50, what is happening, open, high, low, 52-week high, low, past 365 days, what happened, 30 days, what happened, what is the advance, decline, all those things. You can see all the Nifty 50 stocks which are part of Nifty 50, that stocks you can show, you can see here. If you click on the volume, ascending and descending order, you will get it, right? Here if you click, you can see Nifty 50, mid cap, type Nifty 50, it will change next. Okay, you can see mid cap, small cap. Okay, even in the sectoral indices as also mentioned. See Nifty Auto Bank, Nifty Bank, you click, these all are the Nifty Bank constituents bank, which forms the, all these 12 banks put together forms the bank Nifty. So same way Nifty Auto, all these put together, all these stocks put together forms what you call Nifty Auto sector. Okay, Nifty 50, this turnover and volume is there, no? This volume is what shown in the, if you go to in.investing.com, we show in our video, no, volume. This is the volume which is shown there. Okay friends, hope it is clear now. Okay, and then we will see reports. Where do we see the reports? Okay, we will go to home page again. I am just taking you to home page to show you. Go to live market. Okay, products, live market products. Okay, you type equities. Okay, you can see here, if you type this, you can see current market reports. You just type this and then you say view all market reports. You can see here view all market reports. Just click on that. You will get daily reports, BOW copy, everything, monthly reports. And if you type your FIIDI data, it will show you the FIIDI data, what happened. Okay, then again we will go back. Here also you can type about equities. I will just show you from the home page. Okay, we go to equities again. Very important, about equities, if you type, you can see market timing and holidays. You can see the circuit breaker. Majority of the people don't know how to go. They will just type in the Google. You should know. You should learn everything. It's a simple thing, nothing. It's not very complicated thing. You can see circuit breaker. What happens if market falls by 10%? What happens? Okay, market did 45 minutes. They will halt again. They will have 15 minutes break. So like this, you can see 15% what happens, 20% what happens. So all these things are shown here. How much it has to fall? How much? 10% it has to fall means from yesterday's closing. Okay, that 1038 points it has to fall. 15% and 20%. Clear friends? Hope this is useful to you people, right? Next important thing is, we'll go to home page. Go to home page and then live market. You can see live analysis, top gainers and losers, most active securities. You click on the most active securities. Okay, you can see by volume wise and value wise which is the most active securities, right? is value wise, this volume wise. You can see here most active calls. Which are the most active calls? Okay, volume wise, this is value wise. Again you can see most active puts. Okay, volume wise and value wise. Again most active contracts. Which contract is most active? This is volume wise, this is value wise. Right friends? 52-week high low, volume gainers. You just type here, you can see the volume gainers. Okay, we should be able to use this, right? Then again we'll go to live market. You can see OI spouts is very important. Okay, OI spouts. If you go by contract wise, you can see rise in OI, rise in price. You remember these things which I have shown you in our question of the day. This I have put it in neatly in Excel sheet. You can see here premium price up, OI up, fresh long build up. That means you come back here, rise in OI, rise in price. All these instruments, these strike prices are rise in OI, rise in price. So if you are experienced, you good, you know how to track this OI data, because OI data we have to find the rate of change, not just the change. We have to comparative, at least 5 days data, 1 week data, at 3-4 days data, we have to compare and then select this. You can select the strike prices. This is likely to go up. Rise in OI, slide in price. What is rise in OI, slide in price? Rise in OI, slide in price. This one, fresh short position. Rise in OI, slide in price. So like this you can, if you know all these 4 combination, that is shown here. Rise in price, rise in, slide in price, slide in OI, rise in price. Slide in OI, rise in price, short covering. Okay, this is how we have to use. Slide in OI, slide in price, both are going down. Here you can see both are going down, long unwinding. Okay, this is how you can select the strike price. Also you can trade. There is a disclosure. I am not a SEBI registered technical analyst. Please consult your say, financial advisor or whom you are in touch before taking any trade. Thank you friend. Hope it was very useful. Please watch this video again if you don't understand. Okay, know the path where to find it. What this is the basic information about the NSE website. Thanks for watching friends. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.